Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting, please subscribe to Shortened Dictations with Rashika and press the bell icon for more related updates. So without any further ado, let's get started.
5 seconds. Start. Hiding COVID numbers only mystifies its spread. It may not be a coincidence that a similar story is playing out in two of India's largest metros, Delhi and Mumbai. Both account for most active cases but also boast of an uncannily similar official response. Testing in both cities have stagnated. If kits in short supply explain the initial parsimony, the aversion to testing more despite high COVID numbers betrays poor judgment. Even testing less is not helping keep numbers low because the test positivity rate has spiked dramatically over the past week. It is 25.7% in Delhi's case, even 40% in some districts, against the long term positivity rate of 10%. In Maharashtra, 7-day positivity rate has shot up to 20% against long term average of 14%. Delhi's daily tests have oscillated between 4,000 and 8,000 for 2 weeks, while Mumbai's have averaged around 4,000 daily all of May with capacity lying unused. Mumbai and Delhi account for 20% and 10% respectively of India's cases, but each can boast of just 5% of the total tests done in India. What is happening is fairly obvious. As tests don't scale up, more people are catching and spreading the infection. Clearly, nationwide scaling up of testing to over a lakh daily was facilitated by improving the geographic spread, not by intensifying testing in hotspots like Mumbai, Delhi, and Ahmedabad. To make matters worse, Delhi has structured several private labs for testing asymptomatic individuals, claiming this is delaying results. This will further cram testing, making the process more difficult. After having 3 months to prepare, it is unacceptable that testing guidelines keep fluctuating wildly on official whims. Testing is not the harbinger of bad news, it offers key insights on disease transmission, dynamics, and the extent of asymptomatic spread. Apart from ensuring people keep their masks on, testing is our best protection now. Thank you.